Hi, I'm Ron with Cruising This Old Boat, and today we're going to find out what's in the box of a ProNautic 1240p battery charger by ProMariner. Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat.
All right, this is the 40 amp battery charger. It will do up to 3 different batteries or battery banks at the same time, and it is programmable. It will do flooded cells, gel cells, AGMs, and lithiums. So let's see what's in it. First thing you come to is the instruction manual. Seems to be fairly well cushioned against shipping damage. There's the battery charger itself. It's pretty hefty. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. It's got 2 places to put screws or bolts to mount it on that side and also on this side. So it's 4 screws that would hold it against the wall. Has a ground post right there. And then inside here you have position for 4 positive cables and 1 negative cable to go to your batteries. I'm assuming, without having read the instructions yet, that you're going to need to take this off to get to those, because I don't see any way to get a screwdriver in there to loosen or tighten those. You also have a spot here which I assume is for your power cable. On the front, it has a programmable menu with displays for your volts and your amps, and also percent of charge. You can select your up and down to move the display around, and you have your setup and your enter button there. So looks like it's going to be pretty simple to install and program. Let's see what else is in the box. We have a cable here. It uses what looks like a phone connector, and then this appears to be a connection to go to a battery. Normally I would guess that that's for heat sensor, but I don't know, so we'll find out. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. So there's not a whole lot to it. Should be pretty simple to put together. This comes with some pretty good reviews I looked at online. I'm not familiar with ProMariner or the ProNautic line, but I researched it online and everybody gave it pretty good reviews. So we're gonna see how it does. Thanks for watching.